how to go from this to this. Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I will be doing a passion twist on my daughter's 4C hair. This is the hair I will be using today, and this is the color that I will be using for today's hairstyle. I finally got a hair braiding rack, and this is so good. If you don't have it, try to buy one because this helps move on very fast when doing hair. So the first thing I will do is get one of my passion twists, untwist it, and then put it in my rack. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing to our channel for similar content. Now I can start adding those passion twists on her hair. What I did first is to part her hair in medium-sized boxes. Now I'm going to spray some water on her hair to help her hair get softened a little bit. Next, I will get my leave-in conditioner and spray some leave-in conditioner on this portion of the hair that I will be doing right now. After that, I will grab my homemade oil and I will put this on that section of the hair. This will help the hair get soft. It also helps to lock in the moist on that section of the hair. Now I'm going to use my wire comb and detangle that section of the hair. Then I will use a smaller comb to make sure that this section of the hair is well detangled. Now it's time to add my passion twist. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to stretch the twist, make sure that it's all in the same length. Next, I'm going to put it on the top of that portion of the hair, giving me 3 parts. And I'm going to continue by braiding. The reason that I'm braiding first before I start twisting is to help lock in the passion twist, because if you don't lock it in, it might just fall off. So I will braid it down 5 to 6 times, or even 7 if I feel like I need to. Next, I will add my gel and all it on the hair as I'm twisting down. This will help the hair to be silk, because remember, she has 4C hair and her hair will not really match with the extension, so this help her hair to sit slick, and as I'm start to twist, it's gonna match with the passion twist hair. So after burning down, I'm going to put her natural hair with one of the passion twist hair on one side and then start twisting them, because at this point I will have 2 parts which I can twist together, and I will twist it down all the way down, and I will add the gel as I'm twisting down. Right now I'm using my edge control gel because I was using the Shaman gel, but it's finished and the store is closed, so I'm gonna use whatever I have in the house, and that's all I got. Now let's repeat the same steps we did earlier. I will spray some water on that section of the hair, add some leave-in conditioner on that section of the hair, detangle that section of the hair, add some oil to make sure that section is nice and soft to continue, detangle again, make sure it's well detangled before I add the passion twist hair. As I'm adding the passion twist hair, I'm gonna start by braiding first to help lock in this passion twist hair, and I will be adding gel to make sure that this section of the hair is silk enough to match with the passion twist hair, and I will add the gel as I'm twisting down. For this hairstyle, I'll only use 1 pack of the pack that I showed you earlier in the beginning of the video. I actually did not even use the whole pack. I still have some left from that pack. For $20 a pack, I think it's a pretty good deal, especially that I didn't even use all the hair from that pack. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for similar content. Finally, we are done with this hairstyle, and the transformation is amazing. I love this hairstyle. I love the fact that it's not too long and it looks natural and it can shake. It's not too stiff, and the hair did not take me too long to do it. So definitely look into this hairstyle if you want something different. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.